we will understand a new concept called recursion. Okay, so can you create a new class recursion? Have you heard of this word recursion? Did you understand the meaning of recursion?
A function calling itself again and again until a specific condition is met, sir.
Okay, so that means recursion means you are going to call a particular function itself. That is what recursion means. Okay, so recursion means it is the purpose of making a function call by itself. So that's where you call it as recursion. So first we will understand how you can implement this recursion. So generally you know some basic mathematics, right? For example, you just write this whatever I am saying. I'm asking you to add first 10 numbers. So how you are going to add first 10 numbers? Write it in the comment saying that add all numbers from 1 to 10. Add all numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, so generally what you do, you will be doing 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus something like this, correct? Can you write that
Yes, sir.
in the next comment line? 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now what I want you to do is I wanted to think how can I make it as a function. Okay, so how I am going to make it as a function and make sure that we are going to add this using this function. Okay, that is what my expectation, right?
Yes, sir.
Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in the main function whatever you have, right, just go to the instead of this main function, go to the top. We are going to declare one function. Okay, function or method where you are going to declare after the class name, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what I want you to create is I want you to create one function. So how are you going to create the function name?
Static int.
Public, yeah, public static int, and then we are going to create a function called sum of the numbers, right?
Yes, sir.
Sum, and within the brackets int, you can take the number as n. Okay, so why did we give int?
We have
Public stat
to
hmm,
return the output, then
value,
we can.
right? Yeah, whenever you have a written value instead of void, we are going to use int, correct? So
Yes, sir.
now you give a flower bracket, and then you are going to return return whatever the value you are passing, correct? That is what your n value, and then semicolon. Do you think this will satisfy your requirement?
No, sir.
Why?
Here we are just returning the number, but we are not additioning the number. We are not
We
performing
are
the
not
operation.
we are not adding the value, correct? So
Yes,
for
sir.
example, if you write making use of the same function whatever you have used, right? So can you go to your main program? Go to the main program. There you just declare uh, one variable int res, int res, that is the result. Okay, res is equal to, so I'm going to call your function. You give your function name sum of the numbers, that is your function name, correct? And then you give 10, and you give 10 semicolon, and then system.out.println, and then res. Now run the program and see what is the outcome you are going to get. Can you run this program and see what is the outcome you are going to get?
10, sir.
That means it did not do anything, it just passed the value 10, correct?
Yes, sir.
So that means what is that input it has taken? It has taken the first number as 10 and then after that it did not do anything, correct? So
Yes, sir.
now what I am asking you to do is I am asking you to make use of this function repeatedly calling until the number decreases to last digit, that is 0. Okay, I don't want to calculate 0, but I wanted to make sure that the total numbers are calculated. That means if I go to my function definition, go to fifth line, return n plus plus, there you are going to call the function name again, function name again, and n minus 1, n minus 1. Now what is going to happen? First, it will check for the number 10. Don't execute. Okay, don't execute. First, understand. First, it will take the number 10. Then it will write 10 plus sum of the numbers 10 minus 1, that is sum of 9. So if you try and execute it and see what is the outcome it is giving you, just try.
Exception in thread.
Okay, so you got an error because you are not ending that function properly. So now what I am trying to tell you is I wanted to ensure whatever the value we are passing till the value reaches to the last digit, that is 10 to 1, it is calculating using the function. So to do that, uh, in the function, just go there. I wanted to check after the curly braces, press enter, first curly braces, press enter. Okay, what I am trying to do is if n within the brackets n greater than 0, that is what our requirement. Got it?
Yes,
And
sir.
then start a flower bracket and end, enter. Don't do it manually, okay? Start the flower bracket and end it. Automatically we end it. Now you keep this written statement, copy this written statement from here and put it there. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand so far? Don't execute it, okay?
Yes, sir.
What it will do, first it will check n greater than 0. That means 10 you are giving, okay?
Yes, sir.
So 10 you are giving. Do you have an additional bracket or what?
No, sir.
Okay. So if you see 10 greater than 0, it will go inside and check 10 plus that sum of the numbers 10 minus 1, which is 9. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
So then what will happen? Again, sum of 9, which is 9 greater than 0. Again, it will do one more time. Like that, it will continue. Correct? Now run the program and see what is happening. Something is missing.
A written statement is missing, sir.
So do else at the end, else if n greater than 0, else, and then give a flower bracket, return return 0. Okay, semicolon, 0 semicolon. So if you look at, if n is not greater than 0, then it will go on directly say that the value is 0. Okay, now run the program, and if you see the output has come 15,
55. Yes, sir.
sorry 55. So 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 6 21, 28, 36, 45 plus 10 55. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
So what is the regular formula? Sum of the first n numbers, n into n plus 1 by 2. If you do that way also, the outcome will be 55 only. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but we are not going to do that. But if you look at this one, how this program is executed using this particular logic. So let me brief it one more time. So you just write after the 12th line, give a comment. After the 12th line, give a comment. Uh, First, what is happening? It is going to check with 10, right? 10. No, right? 10. Number 10. That is what you have passed, right?
Yes, sir.
Plus sum of the numbers. Write your function name. Sum of the numbers within the brackets 10 minus 1. Are you following me what I am trying to tell you?
Yes, sir.
Sum of the numbers 10 minus 1. You just copy paste. Why are you writing again and again? 10 minus 1. Okay. Is equal to same copy paste 10 plus sum of the numbers 9. 10 minus 1 is 9. That's what I am trying to tell you. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So will the function come out of it, or will the function gets executed again?
It will get executed again.
Because the number is 9, which is greater than 0. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So take one more line comment. 10 plus sum of 9 you can take, paste it here, is equal to 10 plus. Now you need to see the sum of 9. It will go to that particular program, then 9 greater than 0, then it will return n plus sum of the numbers. That means 9 plus sum of the numbers 9 minus 1. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand the logic now correctly?
Yes, sir.
This is very, very important. Is equal to, you just write 10 plus 9 plus sum of the numbers of 8. Can you write the next one?
Yes, sir.
10 plus 9 plus sum of the numbers of 8. So can you take this at the end, next line, and then show me the output, how it is going to do for the next one?
Yes, sir.
You will be taking 10 plus 9 plus sum of the numbers 8, and then is equal to, what would be the outcome?
8 minus 1.
Okay. Where is 8? Where did you write the 8? After 9, you have to write 8 also. 9 plus 8. You should not miss the logic or the sequence.
Yes, sir.
So I'm not going to write the rest of the things. At the end, what is going to happen?
10 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 and so on plus 1.
Can you write that at the end? Just give one more comment. 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. 2 plus sum of, can I write sum of 1?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sum of 1. Sum of the numbers of 1. This could be the last one, correct?
Yes, sir.
How it is going to turn? Enter. Enter there only. Enter. Enter. Again, right? 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2. And this one is greater than 0. Is that correct? Yeah, just write everything. 1 is greater than 0, correct? That means how it is going to be? 1 plus sum of the numbers, 1 plus sum of the numbers, 1 minus 1, correct?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand the logic?
Yes, sir.
1 plus 1 minus 1, which is just copy paste everything. The same thing, you just copy paste, and then sum of the numbers of 0. Are you clear? Any questions?
No, sir. It is clear.
When you say some of the numbers are 0, what is that it is going to get executed? At the end, if you
Return
see,
0.
the else block will return 0. That means 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus the function output will be 0. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand this recursion?
Yes, sir.
Which function has called itself multiple times?
Sum of the numbers.
Okay. So if you are calling the same function the same time, n number of times the same function, then automatically you will see the output. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is called recursion, and which is very, very important. So we will see one more example. Using the same example what you have seen now, can you write a program for factorial of a number? Do you know what is factorial of a number?
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by factorial? If I say 5 factorial,
5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1.
okay, can you just create a new function, new class,
Yes, sir.
factorial? Okay. So here you can just copy paste the same code, whatever you have written there, and you just need to fine tune it a little bit. Just copy. Yeah. Factorial. Factorial. mm, Factorial of num. You just write factorial of num something. Don't give class name and the method name same. Okay. Just change something. Right.
Yes, sir.
So take the function also, the main body also you take it. Instead of plus here, not that one. In your previous recursion example, go back to recursion example and take the main one. In result, this lines. Yeah. Copy paste and then change the function name. Change the function name to factorial of number. Okay. And if you see, instead of plus written n plus, what you are going to do? N star, correct?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Here it is 5 into 4 into 3 like that. We will multiply.
Hmm. Okay. So if you run this program, do you get the correct output? Without executing, can you tell me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Run this and show me the output and tell me what is missing. If you understand this, then you are clear with recursion concept.
Uh, Sir, here it is also getting multiplied with 0, sir, at the end.
Very good. How?
According to this only, here sum of numbers is 0. It
Okay.
returns the else block that is return 0.
Very good.
So everything multiplied by 0 is 0.
Okay. Good. Very good. So what we have to change in the logic here?
Uh, if uh, we have to remove this return 0,
Yeah. Okay. Instead of return 0, you
we
should
can
not check
write,
for greater than 0. You can check if n greater than 1. Okay. If n greater than 1, check n greater than 1 and do these activities. And at the end return, you just write 1. If at all it is 1, then return 1. Correct? Are you clear? Now run
yes,
the
sir.
program. So these are all simple mathematic calculations. If you understand the basic functionality, how are we going to do, then automatically you will be able to understand this easily. Okay. So I think something went wrong. Correct only, no?
Correct
Yeah.
only, sir.
5 factorial. 5 factorial is 120, where we have taken 10 factorial, which is a huge number, which we don't want. So 5 factorial is 5 into, can you just write in the comments saying that 5 factorial is, 5 factorial means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 5 fours are 20, 23s are 60, 62s are 120, 120 into 1. That is 120.